In today's video, I'm going to teach you build a culture of learning with Microsoft Viva Learning. Viva Learning brings training right into your daily workflow, making it easier for everyone to discover, consume, and keep track of learning content. We'll walk through how to set it up, connect your learning sources, add internal materials, and help employees personalize their experience so learning becomes part of your culture, not a one-off event. Start by opening Microsoft 365 and heading to the apps page. From there, look for the Learning app and open it. If this is your first time, the interface may be minimal until you connect content sources. That's normal. Viva Learning lights up as you plug in providers and add material. Next, go to Manage Providers and select Add Provider. You'll see options to connect services like LinkedIn Learning, Microsoft Learn, or third-party learning management systems such as Cornerstone or Saba. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect each provider. Depending on your organization's setup, you may be asked to sign in, grant permissions, or confirm admin consent. Once connected, content begins to flow into Viva Learning and will surface in search, recommendations, and collections. If you're just getting started, consider enabling one or two key providers first so you can validate the experience before expanding. To bring in your internal training, add internal SharePoint content as an administrator. Point Viva Learning to the SharePoint sites or document libraries where your training lives. Think policies, onboarding guides, or role-based how-tos. Organize files clearly and use consistent titles so they're easy to find. Make sure the right people have access in SharePoint. Viva Learning respects those permissions, which helps you share confidently without oversharing. For employees, it's time to personalize. Pick your interests and choose at least 2 topics to receive tailored recommendations. This helps the system surface learning that's relevant to your role, skills, and career goals. You can always adjust interests later as your responsibilities evolve or new projects come up. Now, browse the available courses. Use search to find topics you care about and explore categories from the providers you connected. When you find something valuable, click the bookmark icon to save it to your My Learning tab for later. This becomes your personal hub, great for planning what to learn this week or keeping track of items you want to complete next. If you're short on time, look for shorter modules and build momentum with quick wins. With these steps, you're setting up the foundation for a learning culture: relevant content, easy access, and personalized discovery that keeps people engaged and growing.